हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू FPL गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट आवर वॉच लिस्ट फॉर गेम वीक 1 एंड आई एम जॉइंड वंस अगेन लकी टू बी जॉइंड बाय टू एब्सोल्युटली elite FPL managers, Manan Chipper and Rahul Bhatia. How are we feeling, gentlemen?
Excited to spoil another season playing and hopefully get another 1 million rank. But yeah, excited.
That is not the same case with Manan Chipper, who is
Yeah.
targeting one. If you remove million, one बचता है, उससे Manan Chipper आता है. Because
100% the
I think you
target
will win FPL this season.
the target is always one. उसके आगे जीरो कितने लगते हैं वो तो सीजन के एंड में पता पड़ेगा, लेकिन रियली रियली एक्साइटेड. आई विश रक्षित आप भी और ज्यादा एक्साइटेड होते, बट ताकि आई कैन बॉदर यू अबाउट FPL मच मोर, बट या लाइक
सर, मेरी
can't wait to
पेडिग्री
talk
और
about
कैलिबर
players.
मेरी पेडिग्री और कैलिबर ही नहीं है. जैसे मैंने कहा था बिफोर रिकॉर्डिंग कि इस पॉडकास्ट का जरिया ये है कि आप दोनों की आवाज हम ब्रॉडर कम्युनिटी तक पहुंचा सके. दैट इज द होल ऑब्जेक्टिव. बट
You can
विदाउट
just
वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम
no wait
विदाउट
I have a
वेस्टिंग एनी
comment.
टाइम विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम वी विल टॉक अबाउट
Let's
द
go.
FPL वॉच लिस्ट. चारों पोजीशंस, गोलकीपर, डिफेंडर, मिडफील्डर और फॉरवर्ड्स में हमने बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स लिस्ट करे हैं और आई थिंक 95% जो ड्राफ्ट्स हैं वो इस वॉच लिस्ट में से बनेंगे. वी कैन ऑब्वियसली डिस्कस अ फ्यू प्लेयर्स जो इस वॉच लिस्ट में नहीं है. कुछ अल्ट्रा डिफरेंशियल्स वगैरह हो गए, बट ब्रॉडली जो हमारी टीम है सबकी वो इस पर्टिकुलर वॉच लिस्ट से ही बनेगी, राइट? तो वी विल जस्ट गो थ्रू ऑल द प्लेयर्स एंड वी विल टेल आवर ओपिनियंस कि हमारे हिसाब से कैसे ऑप्शंस हैं. और वील स्टार्ट विद द गोलकीपर्स. बिफोर दैट दोस्तों, इंस्टाग्राम पे नया चैनल बनाया है, फॉलो करिएगा. लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में. FPL गपशप मिनी लीग का आपको कोड मिल जाएगा, नीचे आपको ब्लू बार दिख रही होगी, डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मिल जाएगा. भाटिया साहब, अगर आपने नहीं ज्वाइन किया है तो आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं FPL गपशप की मिनी लीग.
Sir, I was the first person to join before you.
थैंक यू सो मच एब्सोल्युटली.
Before he even
एक और
created is
चीज-
what he meant.
एक और चीज अपने followers को बोलना चाहूंगा. If you really think you're a good manager, you have to beat Manan Chipper in the FPL Gupshup mini league. Try it.
100%. That's the minimum. You need to beat me.
Yeah.
उसके बाद फिर ऊपर भाटिया साहब एंड रक्षित जी होंगे, but you have to beat
वो अलग
minimum.
tier में आते हैं. First tier is Manan.
अब
मनन को
नहीं
आप हरा
start
दोगे तो
करना
आप
है
एक
video.
अल्ट्रा एलीट मैनेजर हो.
अब नहीं करना स्टार्ट वीडियो.
ओके. एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल, लास्टली टेलीग्राम चैनल भी दोस्तों ज्वाइन करना, बिकॉज वहाँ पे हमारी अच्छी कम्युनिटी है. वी हैव डिस्कशंस एटसेट्रा. उसका भी लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में.
One,
सो शुरू करें.
yeah, let's go.
Let's start without wasting any time. Let's talk about the goalkeeper सबसे पहले. And just to list all the names, we have Raya, Verbruggen, Lamens, Kinski, and Trafford from Leeds. I think, Maran, let's start quickly with Raya because he is the most owned keeper in the game. And considering कि Gabriel is someone जो 8 million है, and अगर आप बाकी डिफेंडर्स की बात करो, Mosquera obviously is very popular, उसकी बात हम करेंगे. उसके अलावा there is not a lot of stability, right? So do you think Raya is like the cheapest and the most stable route into the Arsenal defense?
100% again. You will see Mosquera को काफी drafts में if you're not going Gabriel. But I'm not sure कि Mosquera start. Obviously, he might start for the first two or something, but Arsenal are heavily linked to Konza. So if you remove Mosquera, then I personally think Raya is the best way into the Arsenal defense.
But Isab, do you think Raya is like the best option keeper में, like hands down?
I think if you're playing like a long-term game without having to worry for your goalkeeper, Raya अच्छा set and forget option है. But then जिस तरह से मेटा स्ट्रैटेजी फिलहाल चल रहा है, जितना मैंने सुना है, people are planning an early bench boost. और अगर आप तो वो कर रहे हैं तो it's very hard to get Raya and another goalkeeper as well because funds are pretty limited if you are going for the big two. So Raya, great pick from Arsenal if you just want Arsenal defensive coverage, but I think we can get a cheaper defender from him.
Okay, so let's talk about the cheaper options then. Manan, I think you are someone who's looking to bench boost. So you're looking at potentially 4.5 options. And वहाँ पे I think players like Verbruggen, players like Kinski, maybe someone like Lamens जो भाटिया साहब के elite club से खेलते हैं. These are maybe options, especially अगर आपको थोड़ा rotational way में खेलना है या फिर आपको bench boost करना है. तो अगर आप बात करो, let's say Verbruggen, Lamens, Kinski, Trafford, तो how do you like rate them?
First on Trafford, I am not sure if he'll obviously big money signing है, but I'm not sure if he'll start the season क्योंकि उनका जो अभी गोलकीपर है जो इज प्लेइंग इन एवरी प्री सीजन फ्रेंडली, आई एम अज्यूमिंग ही विल स्टार्ट फॉर द कपल एंड देन उसके बाद मे बी ट्रैफर्ड या पेरी. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ ट्रैफर्ड विल स्टार्ट द सीजन. बट इफ ही डज ही इज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन कंसिडरिंग लीड्स ने जो सेकंड लास्ट ऑफ द सीजन था, सेकंड हाफ ऑफ द सीजन था, दे वर रियली गुड. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ट्रैफर्ड हो सकता है ऑप्शन इन द सीजन. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट वर्ब्रूगन एंड किंस्की, जो मेरे दो अभी करंटली 4.5 गोलकीपर है, आई पर्सनली लाइक बोथ ऑफ देम. वर्ब्रूगन सॉलिड डिफेंस, वन ऑफ द फ्यू टीम जिसमें बहुत चेंजेस हुए नहीं है, सेम मैनेजर ऑलमोस्ट. एक ऑब्वियसली वैन हैके हैज गॉन, बट आई पर्सनली फील as a defensive unit, I personally like Brighton and उनके fixtures भी थोड़े decent है. Kinski is the one जो थोड़ा सा पंटी सा फील होगा आपको, because again Spurs काफी changes है, बहुत सारे players आए हैं, but अगर आप उनकी बैकलाइन देखें तो वो काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग है with the players they have signed. And personally I think Kinski has a potential to get that 10 pointer 12 pointer haul. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये दोनों काफी अच्छे ऑप्शंस है.
But is what about Lemons? आपको क्या faith है? Because a lot of people are going for Maguire and a Shaw, but it's a good route into the United defense also, Lemons, right? Because you do concede shots, so he'll make saves.
We do concede shots, but honestly, United defense होना एक must नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से. Even though we have Hull and Ipswich first two, उसके बाद fixtures are a bit mixed, and I see more potential in the United attack if you want to target United. But अगर आपको defense चाहिए तो Lamens is not a bad route into the defense because Maguire's slight rotation risk है. Shaw, I don't like him as an FPL pick. So for 5 million, if you want to play the fixtures, Lamens is not a bad option.
Yeah, I think अगर आप राया को हटा दो तो काफी ओपन लग रहा है, right? And there are like several other picks जिनकी हमने बात नहीं करी है also. आप किसी भी क्लब से किसी को पिक को भी ले सकते हैं, बट प्राइमरीली अगर आप 4.5 ऑप्शंस की बात करो, आई थिंक वर्ब्रोगन एंड किंस्की स्टैंड आउट. अगर आप एक एलीट ऑप्शन की बात करो एट प्रीमियम प्राइस तो वहाँ राया है. And if you talk about 5 million options, then I think Lemons and maybe later on in the season Trafford could be like a decent option. So none of these are wrong picks. It depends कि आपका squad का structure क्या है. Manan, is there any 4.0 goalkeeper who is expected to start या फिर get some
Not
minutes?
yet. We are not expecting any 4.0 million goalkeeper to start the season. हो सकता है again mid season आ जाए या थोड़ा later in the season emerge हो जाए, but not right now.
Any other keeper who is not on the list जिसको हम highlight करना चाहेंगे? Anyone to mention? Honorable mentions?
I'll just mention one जो हर सीजन अच्छा करते हैं, हर सीजन हम स्टार्ट में सोचते हैं he's too expensive, which is Jordan Pickford. Yeah, he always does well, he always hauls, and हम even अभी right now he's 5.5, right? Think, but I think he can make a mockery of that price if again we know how Everton defense first approach. वो hauls he only deals in hauls. So again, Pickford is someone you can still go for.
Why I think one last thing on this, why I think Pickford थोड़ा लो के नीचे आ गया, because अगर आप एवर्टन के सेंटर बैक्स की बात करो, स्पेशली विद डेफकॉन्स कमिंग इन ना, वो अलग डायमेंशन पे चले गए हैं. भाटिया साहब, मतलब आपने टारकोव्स्की ओन किया, मरन यू ओन माइकल कीन फॉर सो लॉन्ग, तो यू नो द डेफकॉन बोनस, ऑल दोस पोटेंशियल्स अलोंग विद द क्लीन शीट फॉर दोस डिफेंडर्स. तो अगर आप लेट्स से 5.5-6 मिलियन आपको स्पेंड करना है, you'd rather spend on a Everton center back than
absolutely.
That's the only thing I think, right?
Yeah,
but I think decent discussion. Quickly, if you had to pick one keeper, number one keeper right now for your game week 1 teams, तो आपका क्या होगा?
मनन,
बड़े साहब, अच्छा मैं स्टार्ट करूँ. नहीं, दिग्गज लोगों को पहले. It's for me it's Verbruggen. I trust the defense. काफी बिल्कुल टीम चेंज नहीं है, as I said, so for me it's Verbruggen.
Same.
Rakshit?
I think I'll go for Raya, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी इग्नोर करा राया को, एंड मुझे लग रहा था लास्ट सीजन की इज नॉट वर्थ द प्राइस, बट कंसिडरिंग आई एम नॉट लाइकली टू बी ऑन अ बेंच बूस्ट स्ट्रेटजी, तो आई माइट हैव अ लिटिल मोर फंड्स टू स्पेंड. इट्स जस्ट अ सेट एंड फॉरगेट मैन. मेरे को आई थिंक बॉदर नहीं करना है, एंड कौन सा आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, गैब्रियल टू एक्सपेंसिव, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. तो राया इज जस्ट लाइक अ सेट एंड फॉरगेट. क्लीन शीट्स आनी ही है. आई थिंक दे विल स्टिल गेट द मोस्ट क्लीन शीट्स दिस सीजन, आर्सेनल. So Raya is going to start all 38 matches.
Just a second on that कि I feel कि game week 1 के closer राया और popular होगा because Aston Villa ने अपने friendlies में कौनसा को squad में include ही नहीं किया है. So that is another thing जो मुझे लगता है कि we might get an inclination, तो फिर राया might be more popular. Yeah.
And then if Konsa comes in, then it's like a mess with Mosquera
It's a
and
mess. You
White.
can't
That's
go.
a game breaker. Konsa is a game
Only
breaker at
Gabriel.
4.5.
Then it's
So
only Gabriel. आप ले सकते हो.
everyone will have Konsa.
No, but
Exactly.
I'm not sure if he'll start those.
Not in game week 1.
Not in game
It's
week
gonna be a
1.
mess.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, let's quickly go to the second section जो है defenders. हमारे पास काफ़ी decent options हैं. तो कीपर्स हमने 10 मिनट स्पेंड करें. सो हम डिफेंडर्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो आर्सेनल डिफेंस की एक साथ बात करते हैं. हमारी वॉच लिस्ट में वी हैव मॉस्केरा एंड वी हैव गैब्रियल. कालाफोरी इज एन ऑप्शन, बेन वाइट इज एन ऑप्शन, बट जैसे हम बात कर चुके हैं कि एजरी कौन सा से लिंक्ड है आर्सेनल, होता है नहीं होता है, वी डोंट नो. बट मनन, आई थिंक इट्स सेफ टू प्रिज्यूम कि एटलीस्ट गेम वीक 1 में मॉस्केरा विल स्टार्ट ईदर वेज. I think that's a transfer, maybe even game week 2, right? So for a couple of weeks, अगर आपको let's say एक बहुत ही cheapish route into the Arsenal backline चाहिए, तो I think Mosquera is the one to go for. Correct?
100%. Again, because he's the only center back जो RCB Saliba वाले रोल में खेल सकता है personally. So I feel like कि Mosquera is nailed on for at least a couple of game weeks, even if they sign Konsa. But as you mentioned, there's like Gabriel, there's Calafiori, Ben White again. थोड़ा सा मैं टेम्प्ट हो रहा हूँ Ben White से भी because Timber is now injured. आर्टेटा ने कंफर्म किया है. So I also feel कि राइट बैक पे भी most likely Ben White should start. We remember उन्होंने डबल गेम वीक में 2 गोल मारे थे. So he has that pedigree. वो थोड़ा आगे जा, especially if Saka start करते हैं, White and Saka का थोड़ा सा केमिस्ट्री बेटर है. तो I also like White, but हाँ, the standout is Mosquera.
भाटिया साहब, थोड़ा आई थिंक इक्वेशन इससे थोड़ी सी मेसी हो जाती है बिकॉज मॉस्केरा कैन ऑल्सो प्ले एज अ राइट बैक. सो यू कैन नॉट से विद कॉन्फिडेंस कि बेन वाइट स्टार्ट करेगा. एंड लुकिंग एट देयर मैचेस, यू हैव कॉवेंट्री, यू एक्सपेक्ट बेन वाइट टू स्टार्ट, बट देन यू हैव विला अवे एंड चेल्सी एट होम. सो टफर मैचेस में आर्टेटा कभी कभी मॉस्केरा को एज अ राइट बैक शुरू करता है, अगर लेट्स से कौन सा और समवन कैन कम इनटू द टीम, राइट?
Absolutely, but my counterpoint to that is अगर हम expect कर रहे हैं कि they sign another centre back who probably replaces Mosquera from the lineup, और हम expect कर रहे हैं अगर Mosquera max 2 start करेगा, let's say Konsa signs, isn't Calafiori a better pick? Because rotation risk है, but currently he is first choice, and actually when he plays, he is so attacking. My only problem with Calafiori is his injury proneness more than the rotation risk. He gets up sometimes at 70 minutes, 65 minutes, तो आपको शायद clean sheet lock मिल जाएगा. If you're just targeting a couple of weeks with Mosquera, I think Calafiori could be the better player.
But the only counter to that is against a fixture like Villa and Chelsea, I can see Hincapié starting at left back, right? So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि we have seen that before, by the way, Hincapié playing left back replacing Calafiori. So that is my only counter की, and also game week 3 से obviously Champions League भी चालू हो जाएगा. तो तब तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है. if there's one game in 7 days, I trust Calafiori, but other than that I'm not sure. That's why I feel like Mosquera is the safer bet, even if you're not wildcarding early, because there's a chance कि he still plays at center back or the right back.
Let's say you're planning your draft for at least 5 weeks. आप wild card 6, wild card 8 जो भी कर रहे हो, not wild card 2 or 3, तो आप Mosquera pick करोगे?
Over any other, aside Gabriel, over any other, I'd pick Mosquera, but I'm not sure if Konsa is linked, तो फिर even if I'll go for Mosquera, then I'll
like deadline day पे अगर Konsa आ गया, so your Mosquera becomes pretty useless as a pick. In that scenario, just as a broader discussion, do we really need an Arsenal defender who's not called Gabriel?
That's a good point. We'll have to think about it. I would say like, I agree with both.
Everyone is having an Arsenal defender, but do we need one?
देखो, अगर आप लेट से पहले 2 वीक्स की बात करो, I think Calafiori is pretty safe. I think Mosquera is pretty safe. You go into the 3rd and 4th weeks, then I think थोड़ा equation थोड़ी वो हो जाती है, मेसी हो जाती है. Gabriel becomes the only legit pick from Arsenal. My one issue with Calafiori, भाटिया साहब, is कि even let's assume कि वो start कर रहा है, Hincapié will come on second half में, तो वो replace almost हमेशा करता है. Calafiori will have to rely on like attacking returns, assist, goal, etc. है उसका potential, हमें पता है, advance खेलता है.
You're not getting any defcons from Calafiori for sure.
थोड़ा unlikely. No defcons, no bonus points also because he's getting served. उसके BPS numbers are generally not good also. तो यहाँ पे मुझे लगता है मॉस्केरा एट द सेम प्राइस, अगर आपको जाना ही है फॉर लाइक 3-4 वीक्स, कुड बी लाइक अ स्लाइटली बेटर ऑप्शन. बट आई थिंक काफी बात कर ली हमने आर्सेनल डिफेंस की. लेट्स टॉक
Yeah.
अबाउट सिटी ऑप्शंस नाउ. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लिवरपूल ऑप्शंस. फर्स्टली वेरी वेरी क्विकली ऑन वैन डाइक. डू वी रियली आर वी रियली गोइंग फॉर हिम स्टार्टिंग में, कंसिडरिंग लिवरपूल का डिफेंस का क्या हाल है? इज ही रियली वर्थ? आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ऑप्शन नहीं होगा लेटर इन द सीजन, बट गेम वीक 1 में श्योरली ही इज समवन जो हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. करेक्ट?
Yeah,
Agreed.
100%.
Cool.
Not an
He
option.
will get defcons, he will get goals, but clean sheets is the bread and butter, right? तो मुझे लगता है वहां पे
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा I think he's keeping in mind his price.
Yeah.
Is an option जो I feel हम थोड़ा बाद में pick कर सकते हैं with so many injuries in the Liverpool defense and बहुत ही unsettled defense है, right? So let's talk
Yeah.
about City. I think after Arsenal हमें City का defense सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है. You have O'Reilly जो हमारी लिस्ट में है. You have Guardiol. Manan, would you pick anyone else in the watch list? Like Bhatia आपका favorite Matheus Nunes, or someone like a Guehi maybe, or like a Kusanov, etc., or maybe Ait Nouri or someone. Yeah,
Actually,
but do you think
Ruben,
Guardiola and O'Reilly are the ones?
No, I think Guardiola and O'Reilly are definitely the high ceiling picks. अगर आप बात करें with respect to who can pop up with a goal, obviously clean sheet आएगी. आप again Arsenal and City defense से defcons expect मत करिए. बहुत कम occasions होंगे highly unlikely कि वो defcons ला रहे हैं. But I personally feel ये दोनों are the high ceiling picks. But I also am seeing कि थोड़ा सा Ruben Diaz might emerge because I think he has been handed the captaincy. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है थोड़ा सा nail down होंगे. But if I have to choose one between O'Reilly and Guardiola at the start of the season, मुझे लगता है थोड़ा Guardiola safer है. I'm not sure O'Reilly start करेंगे नहीं करेंगे. City are now also linked with Enzo Fernandez, right? So again, I'm not sure अब वो then O'Reilly अगर खेलेंगे तो वो लेफ्ट बैक पोजीशन ही होगी. That's the only. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो मिडफील्ड में स्टार्ट करे. Hence, I feel like Guardiola is the safer City pick to start with at least.
But Bhatia Saab, do you actually agree कि Guardiola is safer? Like again, the same question कि how many weeks are we like expecting him to start?
Yeah.
Are we sure he's going to start after like 2 weeks? Guehi is
I
going to come
actually
back.
think that, yeah. I think they have 4 decent centre backs, including Guehi and Kusanov. Depends on who Maresca plays. I don't think Guardiola is a high ceiling pick at the start of the season when his minutes are a bit of a risk. पहले लग रहा था जब मरेस्का ने बोला था that he's one of his pillars apparently, तो शायद minutes अच्छे रहेंगे. But after naming Ruben Diaz as captain, I don't think you can go there because Guehi is a decent player as well. तो अगर game week 1 नहीं तो maybe you'll always look at the lineups. Guardiola start कर रहा है कि नहीं? Do you want that headache for a $5.5 million defender who will be, I think, one of the most expensive defenders in your team?
Yeah.
And
Absolutely.
honestly,
I think-
City के fixtures देखो, Bournemouth, I expect them to score. Palace away, expect them to score. So clean sheet, they're not screaming clean sheets like Arsenal have Coventry at home, which is much more of a clean sheet fixture than City's.
So are we saying कि City defense is sort of an avoid at the start of the season because we don't know who to get? Simple.
I'm not saying it's an avoid. I'm just saying it's not a must own. So if you want to go there, you can, but it's not a must. I think Arsenal defense is more of a must own. Just that उधर भी बहुत कम picks है, or you have to pay 8 million for your pick.
Absolutely. The standout for me is O'Reilly, but again, he's 6.5 million, and we don't know कि वो start करेगा नहीं starting of the season में. So that's the thing. Okay, let's quickly move on to United defense now. We have Harry Maguire, but there's also Luke Shaw. Bhadi साहब, we've spoken about Lemon, so very quickly, अगर आपको defenders की बात करनी हो, if you want to go for a United player, would you spend extra 0.5 and go to Maguire with defcon potential, goal scoring potential, or will you save 0.5 and go for Luke Shaw?
I think Maguire is worth the extra 0.5. Should be okay for the first 3-4 games. Delete has just got on the training pitch, so I doubt he starts. Martinez आएगा तो left centre back खेलेगा, उसका backup Heaven है. So Maguire should be first choice at right centre back. Gives you defcon as well in some games. Shaw नहीं देगा defcon. Shaw का attacking threat is negligible, and in some cases Shaw has a nickel, which he has often. So Maguire is definitely worth it. अगर आपको United defender चाहिए, if you're chasing those fixtures, and I think it's worth it for 5 million.
But Bhati साहब, one quick मतलब 10 second में आंसर देना. Do you actually have faith in the United backline to keep clean sheets in the starting 5 matches? Yeah, let's say opening 2 matches में Hull and Ipswich, आप क्या expect कर रहे हो?
I think one clean sheet is reasonable expectation out of the first two games, and I currently have Maguire in my team, so yes.
Okay. Manan, we have two Forest defenders, Nico Williams and Aina, 5 and 4.5, उस mid bracket में. Why do we have two Forest defenders on our watch list?
Again, simply Oliver Glasner है उनके मैनेजर. निको विलियम्स, अगेन वी नो ऑलिवर ग्लासनर, डैनियल मुनियोज के साथ कैसे राइट बैक उनका बहुत आगे जाता
Do you
था.
think Nico Williams is going to be the Daniel Munoz in this team?
I personally think he can be, because he's also someone जो again is sort of similar profile. Obviously Daniel Munoz जितने उतने attacking नहीं है, but he still has थोड़ा attacking caliber. प्लस ये डेफकॉन्स भी दे सकते हैं. तो मुझे पर्सनली निको विलियम्स, अगेन अगर आप कंपैरिजन करें 0.5 एक्स्ट्रा है निको विलियम्स. आई एम नॉट इवन श्योर आईना स्टार्ट करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. हेंस निको विलियम थोड़े से सेफ पिक हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो लेफ्ट बैक राइट बैक दोनों तरफ खेल सकते हैं. And at 5 million, I think he can actually be a sort of a very good value player at 5 million.
Okay. Then we have two 4 million options. Thomas from Coventry, especially अगर आपको bench boost game week 2 strategy पे है. And Issa Diop from Ipswich, अगर आपको एक और 4 million option जाना है. Anyone we've missed out? भाटिया साहब, any big name या फिर any picks do you guys think जो हमें इस list में डालना चाहिए था from a defensive point of view? We don't have too many defensive picks, man.
Yeah.
I think Leeds defenders are quite popular. The
Yeah.
new guy, Tariq, 5 million.
Maharovic.
Rodon at
Yeah.
4.5, I think, is a good pick as well. Looks to be nailed, slight rotation risk, but looks to be nailed for 4.5. और कौन है यार? I think we've covered most of the obvious ones though.
It's pretty tricky to pick 5 defenders. Definitely,
Yeah,
क्योंकि
it is.
अगर आप you have to spend money to get reliable players. That's how it is
Yeah.
in almost all positions now. So I think जैसे जैसे season जाएगा, we'll get a better idea of who the budget picks are. But it's very
क्योंकि
tricky.
Defcon
Right
picks को उन लोग ने price up कर दिया है, so they've actually factored
Yes.
that in. So you're paying for your Defcon.
Yeah. Like I like Tarkovsky. I decently like their fixtures also Everton के, but he's too expensive. बहुत
6 million,
expensive.
yeah.
6 is too
So
much for
then-
him. Yeah.
Exactly. Do you get like an Arsenal defender at 5.5 or do you get like a Tarkovsky at 6? That's the question, right? So again, it's not a right or
Tarkovsky
wrong.
can give you 4 every game
Right.
without a clean sheet. Arsenal defender
That's
will not
true.
give you that many Defcons.
That's true. That's true. And he's going to start every match. That's the
He's
main
going to
thing.
start every.
अब आते हैं मिडफील्ड पे. जैसे हमने बात करी डिफेंस में हमारे पास एक खिचड़ी है. यहाँ तो भैया बहुत दलदल है. It's so tricky to pick a midfield. और भाटिया साहब, if you talk about goalkeepers, talk about forwards, and to a certain extent defense also, there is sort of an agreement कि हाँ मतलब एक core structure है. Like you have like 4 or 5 options
Yeah.
from the goalkeeper option. Forwards में most people have Joao Pedro, Haaland. Some people are going with 2 strikers. Some people are going with the third option. Defense में you will have like these 4 or 5 defenders जिसमें से आप at least 3 तो pick करोगे. बट मिडफील्ड में आप अच्छा डिफरेंशियल्स अपनी टीम में ला सकते हो. आई थिंक दिस इज द डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर, स्पेशली अगर आप पहले 3 4 5 वीक्स की बात करो यहाँ पे, क्योंकि जेन्युइनली हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं एंड इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू कैप्चर ऑल ऑफ देम इन दिस ग्राफिक, बट हमने 90% 80-90% कैप्चर करने की कोशिश करी है. ओके, सो हम ऑर्डर वाइज चलते हैं क्विकली, राइट? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस. डू बोथ ऑफ यू हैव ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस इन योर गेम वीक 1 ड्राफ्ट्स?
Yeah.
Yes, for now.
Yes,
Yeah.
for now. I currently have him as well. Can you explain the for now part, Bhatia?
See, I'm very tempted to drop one of Haaland or Bruno. I am also planning to play the bench boost game week 1. I'm very tempted to drop one of those two to spread the funds to get better picks. Bruno, I love him as a player. Great first 2 fixtures. Take him out. He could easily drop 20 points in the first 2 weeks. Haaland, Ipswich. But then I feel he's overpriced for what he offers, because goal threat, open play में last season इतना नहीं था. Assist threat off the chart. If United score, Bruno assist is like 50% likely. But then, are you paying 12 million just for an assist threat? That is my question. But first 2 fixtures is very hard to ignore. So it's a dilemma. It's a proper dilemma.
Okay, let's say Bhatia Sahab.
Go on.
Sorry.
No, go on.
No, because I was moving past Bruno. So if you have a point on Bruno, you
Yeah,
can-
just I just feel like it's not too expensive with respect to you're only getting like assists, because with 1 assist comes 3 bonus as well, right? And that's in every game. And sometimes a couple of times he'll give you defcons and there's penalties. I personally think Bruno might still be worth at 12, but again, it's a fixture play for me. At least it's a fixture play.
Yeah,
Yeah,
agree.
when you talk about Gabriel or a Bruno ना, तो people think about the whole season. Now end of the season we will get to know कि 12
Yeah.
million worth it था या Gabriel 8 million था
Yeah.
या नहीं, right? But at this point of the season जहाँ हमें मतलब it's about catching the balls at the right time. So यहाँ पे मेरा at least
Yeah.
personal belief है कि because we do not have information about so many players, स्पेशली अगर आप बात करो लेट्स से कुनी और एम्बोमो की बात करो, लाइक आई डोंट हैव एन आइडिया कि कौन सा बेटर पिक है स्टार्टिंग में. इट माइट बी अ फैक्ट कि दोनों आप पिक कर लो और ब्रूनो अपनी टीम में ड्रॉप कर दो, राइट? बट आई डोंट नो, मेरे लिए क्लैरिटी नहीं है इस पॉइंट पे. सो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस फॉर मी इट्स फाइन, इट्स वर्थ इट. बट मे बी आफ्टर 4-5 वीक्स जब हमारे पास थोड़े ऑप्शंस इमर्ज होंगे, मे बी एट दैट पॉइंट इज नॉट वर्थ इट, राइट? दैट्स माई टेक ऑन इट. बट इसी बात पे आई थिंक भाटिया साहब लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द अदर टू यूनाइटेड प्लेयर्स, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन ड्राफ्ट्स जहां पे लोगों ने एम्बुएमो एंड कुनिया को पिक किया है एक्सपेक्टिंग कि यूनाइटेड फाड़ फूड़ देगी पहले 2 मैच में. एंड जैसे आपने बोला कि ब्रूनो इज मोर ऑफ एन असिस्टर, तो गोल्स मारेंगे कुनिया एंड एम्बुएमो. सो फर्स्टली डू यू थिंक इज वायबल टू हैव बोथ, एंड इफ यू वांट टू पिक वन, हु वुड यू प्रेफर?
So when you say both, you mean both Mbeumo and Cunha?
Yes.
I've seen people do that, but they don't have Bruno in their team, which again doesn't look that great. I think a second United attacker is a good option, at least for the first 3 weeks. Hull away, Ipswich home. I think third is Everton away, which is also not a bad fixture. Everton, they concede a lot of shots, but they somehow keep clean sheets when they have to. But so second United attacker, kharab option nahi hai. If I had to choose one, I'll always pick Mbeumo. Gets more XG. Always gets more XG. It depends on the day whether he's clinical, but he has brace potential.
Manan, do you expect Mbeumo to start up front with Sesko being like a doubt, and let's say Amad playing on the right or whatever?
Yeah, I absolutely do. Pre-season friendlies में भी Mbeumo आगे खेल रहा है. In the अभी जो friendly है United का, उसमें भी Sesko को include किया है, but it's already been out कि he won't be included, मतलब he won't get any game time. So you're looking at a Sesko जिसने बिल्कुल pre-season में minutes ही नहीं खेले. So I personally feel at least for the first 2 game weeks, I think Mbeumo will start up top, and also Amad is playing really well on the right wing. So that's why I feel there's a very good chance Mbeumo ऊपर खेलेगा. And for me at least, if I had to pick one, I'd be Mbeumo between Cunha and Mbeumo.
Bhatia Saab, from a United tactical perspective, from what I noticed last season, I like Mbeumo up top against like some of the bigger teams where he has like spaces to run, and let's say there is a highlight.
Yeah.
Against teams like Hull and Ipswich, जो थोड़ा low blocks I think definitely employ करेंगे, Mbeumo up front कभी-कभी मुझे lost लगता है, and he's like scrambling everywhere. So do you really feel Mbeumo up top might be like a bad thing for him against these sort of teams?
It could be, but then we don't know how the ball breaks, right? अगर कोई ऐसा situation आता है where there is a counter opportunity, Mbeumo I think is your focal point to get the ball in the box and score the goal. And a lot of people forget that he's actually on corners from one side as well. तो आपको assist potential भी मिल रहा है वहाँ पे. So it's not like you're just relying. अगर आप ब्रूनो के लिए 12 भर सकते हो for his assist potential and penalties, Mbeumo for 8 I think is definitely better value. I agree with what you said in terms of the fixtures. There could be low blocks, but we don't know how the new team set up, right? So I think with the fixtures आप punt लेना बनता है, और game state पे depend करता है whether he actually gets those chances and converts it.
Okay. I personally think I'll have to like thoda just see before I'm like very, very confident. But Cunha तो मेरे लिए option नहीं है personally. I'm not even sure he starts, because I remember कि last season Dorgu was starting left wing at some point.
We have Rashford as well now. Barca legend Rashford is back.
Sure. Should start, but not very, very sure if he's worth it. इन दोनों में से एक लेना तो Mbeumo is the one I think at the early part of the season. Let's talk about Liverpool players, Manan. We are high on them because fixtures look good from an attacking perspective. Soboslai हमने डाला है at 7 million. Firstly, do you think he's on penalties?
I think he can be sharing penalties with Isak. I don't think Isak
Sharing?
will play. Because
What is
Isak will
sharing?
play. So I personally, what I foresee is Isak will be on pens, but he won't last 90 minutes every game, right? So it will be most like.
आपको ईराल ने कॉल करके बोला था कि ये शेयर
That's what I said. That's what I said. I feel. Right. That's what my assumption is. Right. So Isak, I personally feel कि 70 odd minutes, 75 minutes last करेंगे, and अगर दोनों पिच पे I think Isak will take the penalties, जिससे थोड़ी Soboslai की काफी अपील थोड़ी सी कम हो जाती है. But in the pre-season friendlies, Shobosla actually उतना deep नहीं खेल रहे हैं. He's in and around the box still. With Words and Isak जो थोड़े से दोनों up top लग रहे हैं. So I personally feel Shobosla at 7 million can still be good value, great value, and I think a double up even Words and Shobosla I think is really good. But if I had to choose one, I'd go for Words because इरियोला के लिए वो नंबर 10 पोजीशन में जो प्लेयर खेलता है द क्लाइवर्ट एंड टेवर्नियर जो जिस पोजीशन में खेलते थे बहुत इन्वॉल्व होते हैं एंड आई थिंक अब वर्ड्स का सेकंड सीजन है मुझे लगता है ही विल बी अ वेरी वेरी गुड एफपीएल पिक दिस सीजन
मेरे को भी फीलिंग है वर्ड्स की टू बी ऑनेस्ट बट टाइम विल टेल सोबोस्लाई इज अ गुड रिलायबल पिक ऑब्वियसली पेनल्टीज पे है या नहीं है दैट इज द बिग गेम चेंजर आई डोंट नो द आंसर to be honest. If I had to guess, I'd probably say maybe Isak is, but I don't know.
Yeah.
But how do you feel about Liverpool, Words and Szoboszlai, etc.?
I think Liverpool attack looks promising, defense looks terrible. So expecting high-scoring games to begin with. The first game could be 2-2, 3-3 types against Newcastle. मेरी feeling वैसी है. Szoboszlai, decent option, routes to points, boring pick, high floor. Nothing wrong with him. I think Words has the higher ceiling though, especially he's looked sharp in preseason. Like Manan said, the number 10 role. In fact, uski positioning is almost on par with Isak. So he's going forward a lot. So he's literally the last man in the attack. As a player, quality-wise, बहुत अच्छा है, settle हुआ है. And knowing Iraola, like not as well as Manan does, but knowing Iraola, he will play him at number 10.
No, even Iraola doesn't know more than Manan does.
Like Slot used to use him all over the pitch, sometimes left wing as well. I don't think Iraola does that. He plays him proper number 10, close to the striker, so that they can link up. And Words ka assist and goal scoring potential is through the roof. So मेरे लिए standout pick है वो. Szoboszlai close second.
Yeah, I also agree. I think he's 0.5 worth more than Szoboszlai in my opinion. Let's talk about the City options quickly. Foden at a 7 million price, but Semenyo, who has done nothing wrong since the beginning of last season, was on fire on Bournemouth, and I was very surprised कि वो इतना अच्छे से transition करेगा to Man City also middle of the season, and he never stopped scoring. Right? तो हम बोलेंगे यार वो 10 खेलेगा, wide खेल रहा है, यहाँ खेल रहा है, but he just keeps scoring goals and providing assists and whatever. He continues to be like a fantastic FPL option. I have not seen him in too many teams. Right? So why are people ignoring Semenyo?
I think it's the bench boost effect. पैसा नहीं लोगे, but I think
Or
Semenyo
bench boost plus people with Bruno and Haaland, it's difficult to incorporate Semenyo as well.
But we agree Semenyo is a great option.
Insane option. Fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic option. Fine. Already scored 4 assists, 5 assists in the preseason friendlies in 3 matches.
Yeah.
Obviously preseason doesn't matter, but then
obviously, but that's the information
we have.
Yeah.
Like Ian Rakshit should know last season we avoided him quite a lot and we suffered, right? So
again it's important to see कि मरेस्का के अंडर कैसा होगा and कभी-कभी हम लास्ट सीजन के बेसिस पे अगला सीजन प्रेडिक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो we'll have to wait and see. But at this point मतलब there is no reason to doubt him, that's for sure. But
I think
if you don't have money,
pick than Foden, right? He's a better pick than Foden.
Yeah, but Bhatti sahab, there is 1.5 points का saving. So let's say people are on bench boost and whatever, don't have money जैसे हमने बात करी. तो what do you guys feel about Foden?
I personally don't think he is a pick at the start of the season. Probably, let's say, if someone is wildcarding early, game week 3, game week 4, 5, तब हमें पास थोड़ा information होगा. But again, we have seen Foden. He has not been himself since last couple of seasons, and I just feel like he's at the start of the season बहुत बड़ा punt है at 7 million. I'd rather go Szoboszlai. I'd rather go few other players on this list.
Yeah, I think Cherki will take his minutes for sure. So you're not getting 90 from Foden if he just plays in a number 10 position behind Haaland. Cherki will definitely get minutes there. Semenyo is more of a player जो आपको 85-90 minutes promise कर सकता है. I feel has more of a goal and assist threat and is therefore worth the 1.5 extra of Foden.
Cool. Let's talk about Cole Palmer. We have not put Morgan Rogers because new transfer है. I don't know पहला match start भी करेगा नहीं, कहाँ खेलेगा. So he obviously will become an option at some point maybe. But Palmer is an option right now. But you have to pay a lot for him. 9.5 million. Some things we know for sure, Manan, कि he will play in the number 10 position, right number 10 position. He will start every match. He will play like good minutes. He will be on penalties and he will be on set pieces. These are facts जो हमें पता है. Fixtures are mixed. बट हमें पता है कि पाल्मर का पोटेंशियल क्या है राइट सो if you're really feeling punty and if you have like spare budget, how do you feel about Cole Palmer?
I like Cole Palmer if you're not someone जैसे रक्षित जो आप strategy पे है, right? Not you're not planning an early wild card, you're not planning a bench
No,
boost
I'm
जिसके
not
लिए
on a
आपको
bench boost most likely, but wildcard depends
uh,
on what happens.
on
ऐसा मुझे
how
लग
it
रहा है कि
goes,
60.
right? So that's why I
Yeah.
like Palmer because obviously पहले तो they don't have Europe, right? He'll play 90 minutes, he'll play every game. Again जो आपने सारी set pieces penalties. Plus अगर आप longer term horizon देखें चेल्सी के fixtures का, it's really good. अगर आप गेम वीक 1-2 थोड़े मिक्स्ड है, देन अगर आप 4 से देखें तो उनके बहुत ही अच्छे फिक्सचर्स हैं. तो आई पर्सनली लाइक पाल्मर इवन इफ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद इट. ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा पंट है बट वी नो द कैलिबर ऑफ द प्लेयर. तो मुझे पर्सनली लगता है पाल्मर माइट स्टिल बी वर्थ इट. अगेन ही हैज अ पॉइंट टू प्रूव. ही वाज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड. पूरा समर ऑफ मिला है उनको. तो आई जस्ट लाइक पाल्मर एज अ पिक.
Bhati साहब,
Great pick based on reputation, but last 18 महीने में कुछ नहीं किया है.
Yeah.
New manager Alonso is a really good manager as well. Point to prove हमेशा यार बहुत प्लेयर्स क्या रहता है. Agree, I'm not denying that. But then Palmer एक ऐसा player है जो आप देखो कैसा है. Does he look on it? Because when you watch players like him who are looking sharp, you know that he will get you goals and assists. Sometimes he looks very lethargic. आप 9.5 पे कर रहे हो. I think first two fixtures are actually very good for Chelsea. I agree there. But Palmer एक ऐसा player है जो I don't mind being a couple of weeks late to him when I'm sure that he looks sharp rather than punting on him जब आपके पास Semenyo I think is a better option to start the season with for $1 million less.
yeah, that's the really big unknown I think for me, Cole
Yeah.
Palmer. I don't know. He may stink up the place. He may absolutely kill it. We have absolutely
Yeah.
no idea क्या होने वाला है. So wait and watch है. Only one thing is कि if he goes off, it's very difficult to buy him. No matter what structure you have, even if let's say someone like me who's not on a bench boost, it's very difficult to get him in the team. So if you're starting with Palmer, then I think आपके लिए ये थोड़ा possibility अच्छी होगी, unless कोई wild card जल्दी कर रहा है, कि it's very difficult to get Palmer in your team unless you sell like a Bruno. That's the only thing.
Yeah, I think
so
that's the
one for
advantage of having
punters.
Bruno, right? It's a easy
Yes.
downgrade. So
Yeah.
that's
Yeah,
what
maybe.
Bruno
Yeah.
enables. Yeah, it's not that hard to get him.
Right. So, Manan, let's quickly talk about some of the mid lower tier के players. NDI, who's rejected, I think, a move to Saudi, so he's gonna be nailed on. He's at 6 million, gonna be on penalties. One I really like is Dewsbury Hall. As someone who owned NDI, I was always like, कि काश मेरे पास Dewsbury Hall होता. Everton के fixtures are not bad, and Dewsbury Hall is like on corners. He's like a DEFCON monster. He's like a bonus magnet. And he gets into more goal scoring positions. यार मुझे याद है एवर्टन के मैचेस आई यूज्ड टू सी कि इंडिया बहुत वाइड है. Used to be like wide. Dewsbury Hall was getting into these goal scoring positions and getting more shots. And the good thing about Everton is कि one of the most predictable teams है so far because हमें पता है कैसे खेलेंगे, हमें पता है कौन सा प्लेयर कहाँ खेलेगा, हमें पता है मैनेजर क्या करेगा.
Yeah.
So that's why ये दोनों players मेरे लिए decent options है, but I would just about prefer Dewsbury Hall. Anything you want to add?
Just NDI is also on penalties. Last season
Yeah,
तो थे.
that's the thing. Yeah.
But I still agree with you. I think Dewsbury is a better pick with 0.5 million more.
Want to talk about Enzo Lefebvre, Pascal Gross, Diego Gomez, Manon?
Sure. Enzo Lefebvre again is a very good option. Sunderland के अगर आप starting के few 2, 3, 4 fixtures देखो are pretty decent. Again, a player. I'm not sure if he's on penalties, but he is. Okay, then he took last season, but I think I saw.
I think Diarra is his competition, or
Yeah, Diarra. Yeah,
Diarra,
exactly.
but he's not
Yeah,
named.
yeah.
He's not a first choice.
he's not
pick in
nailed.
the
So
11s.
if he's on 6 million on penalties, again, very good player. So I like him as an option initially. अगर आपने आपका early wildcard planned है. The two people I really like, first is Pascal Gross. I really like him. He's taking penalties now with Welbeck gone, on set pieces, or gets DEFCON, is nailed for 90 minutes. Preseason friendlies में he was also getting into the box a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा box में involve हो रहे थे. He was थोड़े late runs बना रहे थे. So I really like Pascal Gross. I personally feel he's the best option at 5.5. There's Diego Gomez जो Brighton में थोड़ी सी couple of injuries and a lot of people are predicting he might be the one who starts for the first 2-3. And if you are getting a Brighton attacker at 5 million for first 2-3 game weeks, अगर आपका let's say wild card 4 है, तो I really like Gomez as an option. But again, you can't expect आप हर हफ्ते नहीं खिलाओगे उसको, but obviously you can get him for let's say a game week 1 bench boost. Sangare, the new signing, Brentford की.
hype around Sangare, is he like a template community pick जो एकदम आ जाता है, या फिर क्या is there any substance to it?
If I had to compare, people are expecting him to be the new Elliot Anderson. He is someone
Who
जो
is expecting him to be Elliot Anderson? Who are these
people
people?
like these are
Who
the
are these
FPL
people?
community, Twitter people, like, you know, how you expect a new signing, how he will fare, right? So people are expecting, because he is really good for DEFCON. At least he was,
Who says he's good for DEFCONs? Where was he
again,
playing? Like, it's a different league. What team
I,
was he
I
playing?
agree,
Like,
I
who
agree,
says all
but
these
that is
things?
all the info we have. Again, I'm just
So
a
many
messenger.
players have come into the league, but I'm
Don't
only
shoot the
hearing about
messenger.
Sangare.
Rakshit, don't shoot the
You are
messenger.
these people. You are these people.
I am
इसलिए मैं
not.
कह रहा
I
हूँ.
am. Rakshit, जैसा आपने बोला, this podcast is a medium for you to show हमारी voice आप बता. I am a medium जिससे मैं tweet ऐसे people की voice
पर
को.
ये आपकी वॉइस नहीं, आप किसी और की वॉइस रख रहे हो.
Yes.
नहीं,
It's a
but
trap.
I also believe Sangare is a good option, क्योंकि अगर आप डेफकॉन्स की बात करो जो लास्ट सीजन बहुत था, अगेन ट्रेंड चेंज हो जाए तो आई डोंट नो, बट एट 5.5 million आप और क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो? यू इफ यू आर गेटिंग लेट्स से डेफकॉन्स alternate मैचेस में, if he pops up with a goals or assist, and again he's sort 5.5 million, you'll mostly bench him, play him in a decent fixture, तो उसके लिए आई डोंट माइंड इट. मेरे लास्ट सीजन भी बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स रखे थे ऐसे जो बीच बीच में आते थे, कर लेते थे, हॉलैंड चले जाते थे, यू कैन इजीली बेंच. So for Pascal Gross, for Diego Gomez, for Sangare, I think like Pascal Gross को तो आप खिला सकते हो, but for players like Sangare and Gomez, तो आप उनको bench कर सकते हो easily in a difficult fixture.
Anyways, I don't want to spend too much time on Sangare. But Manan Slater, is he
Manan
the
doesn't want to
best
spend too
put-
much time on Slater because he is the only option.
If give me a couple of options at 4.5 for a fifth mid.
I only know Slater, that's why he's
There's
included, but
one more Hull City guy at 4.5. I think his name starts with C. I forgot, but he also starts. Or should
Elite ball
start.
knowledge from all of
lovely.
us. Any just last 1 minute, any picks we missed out जो नहीं है list में, भाटिया साहब?
I think we've covered most of it.
Turkey,
Yeah? Not at that.
Elliot Anderson,
The World Cup guys are a bit iffy at this time.
Rice, Elliot Anderson, all these guys.
Bruno Gomes,
New Arsenal guy,
Bruno G.
Solis, 6.5.
Solis,
yeah.
he's been doing really well in pre-season, but we know
I think
Arteta.
he'll start the
so
first game for sure.
He should. How many goals are we
Yeah.
expecting though? वही है ना, पहला मैच Coventry है, फिर you have Villa away, and I think we have what, Chelsea?
yeah.
Yeah,
Chelsea.
so it's wait and watch for me. Like you have slightly better options, I feel. Okay, let's go to the forwards. And भैया 2-3 पिक्स के अलावा तो अकाल है यहाँ पे, समझ ही नहीं आया किसको एक्चुअली वॉच लिस्ट में डाले. So let's spend time on a couple of picks and उसके बाद we can see क्या बात करनी है. Erling Haaland, guys. I think over the course of the season, he's gonna be worth it personally. But let's say कि हमें bench cameo मिलता है community shield में, तो are we sure he's gonna start the first match?
We don't know.
We don't know.
And-
We won't know.
And let's say we
So-
don't have any information, what will you guys do? Will you keep him, bench him, start him, not pick him?
I think Bhatia साहब
think-
ने कहा था ना for now, तो you should answer it कि why do you think? Yeah.
I think it depends on how many goals he scores in his cameo. अगर half an hour खेल रहा है, but if he scores, everyone will have him. If he doesn't score, people might be tempted to take him out. You can justify all sorts of things with 15.5 million, but we know that when he plays, he will score goals. That is a given.
Manan, is there any way this guy is not scoring like 25 goals if fit all season? Minimum. 25
Minimum,
goals,
that's-
30
yeah.
goals this season, yes.
For me, that's the thing, right? I think he always starts well. Every season हम बात करते हैं Haaland is so expensive, and he always starts well. Again, if you ask me, अगर right now captaincy, if I knew if Haaland makes a cameo in the Community Shield, plays 30 minutes, he's my captain. I don't mind if he scores or not. For me, he's the captain personally. I like him. As a player. What else does he have to prove for us
Yeah.
to? It's all about minutes. It's just if he plays, and again, it's not कि इसको rest नहीं मिला. It's just yes, World Cup से इसको 30 days का rest मिल रहा है. Exact 29 days का, right? A week training. He's a fit guy. Striker. He doesn't need to run 90 minutes, right? He can still be in the box and score goals. So I just feel like I personally will have Haaland and most likely captain.
Yeah, my quick 30 seconds on him is कि if you look at generally the league मैं देख रहा था players right तो I don't think it's a very high quality league to be honest.
Yeah.
He's the only guy जो मेरे को guarantee goals देता है in every position, right? So you have like a lot of players. आप forwards ही देख लो ना, मतलब 15.5 के बाद आपको सीधा 9.5 etc इस bracket में drop
Yeah.
करना पड़ेगा with like an Isak who's injury prone, had a bad season, all those things. We don't know what we're gonna get. उसके अलावा लेकिन अगर कोई भी elite goal scoring option नहीं है तो he's the only player in the entire game जो मुझे guaranteed goals देता है. तो उसी के लिए he's worth it for me. And even if he does not start, I want to start him. अगर मेरे को information मिलती है कि वो bench पे है, I'm still gonna start him.
Exactly.
Because
Same.
30 मिनट ऑफ द बेंच जैसे भाटिया साहब ने बोले, you can score goals. कैप्टेंसी देनी है नहीं, वो ऑब्वियसली बाद में हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, राइट?
Yeah.
सो वी आर ऑल गेटिंग हालिड गेम वीक 1 as things stand.
As things stand, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
as things stand. Let's go to the second striker. अगर करंटली आप लोगों को सेकंड अपना स्ट्राइकर पिक करना है आफ्टर हालैंड तो कौन होगा? मनन,
Joao Pedro.
भाटिया साहब?
Although I might not have him, but Joao Pedro.
I would love
that's
to
supposed
get
to be.
Thiago, but I can't afford him. So next best option is Joao.
Exactly. What I meant by I might
Second
not have
pick is
him
Joao Pedro, but you might not have him.
because budget constraint ना. It's or if do I want to go Joao Pedro? हाँ, वो भी है ना. If I can get let's say Calvert-Lewin and third spot थोड़ा छोटा करके, if I can invest at 1.5 million in a defender or a midfielder, वाली बात है. But pre-season he has looked good. Last season also he looked good in an average Chelsea season. Looks like he's the main man right now. Again, he did not go for the World Cup. पूरा rested है, summer off है.
Point to
I don't
prove.
know. Point to prove. So I personally think no brainer sort of category में आता जा रहा है Joao Pedro.
Yeah, I like him, especially at the start. Many routes to points, a great assist potential. He's really good for bonus. He
Yeah.
can play multiple positions. So let's say if you have a Delap or a Welbeck coming on in the second half, तो वो 10 position में भी जा सकता है. He's played in a 10 position also. तो I think he's gonna get very good minutes. मैं तो बोलूँगा even Palmer से भी better minutes हो सकते हैं इसके. He's just a very creative player, good goal scorer, proper summer off, and decent fixtures. तो मुझे लगता है कि Joao Pedro is going to be a great option. Personally, at 7.5 is a great price for him. Do you think he's underpriced actually?
He is underpriced.
He might be, yeah.
है ना? He's underpriced. True.
और एक्चुअली जब लोग चेल्सी को देखते हैं ना, सब पामर को टैलिस्मैन समझते हैं, बट आई थिंक ओवर द लास्ट 12 months
Yeah.
Joao Pedro has been the talisman.
True.
Yeah.
Very true. That's why I'm put off by Palmer a little bit because Joao Pedro is like a better option, I feel, at 1.5
And
less or 2
better
million
value,
less.
yeah.
2 million
2
less.
million less. 2 million less, which is crazy. Third, अगर आप स्ट्राइकर की बात करो, for example, you have Thiago. भाटिया साहब, you, I think, more high on Thiago than me and Manan are.
I think
Hello?
Brentford are being slept on as a team and an attack. They are, you know what you're going to get. Am I back?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
you're
Yes, I am. I think Brentford are being slept on. Thiago, यार 6-7 penalty मिलने वाली है. He misses a lot of chances, but he still scores. Like out of 4 chances, he scores 1 or 2. तो अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे प्रीमियर लीग में top 3 goal scorers just from strikers, I would go Haaland, Isak and Thiago. In terms of just the sheer volume of goals, Thiago से आप 15 goal वापस expect कर सकते हो easily.
But will he
plays
get 10
90 every
penalties?
game. No, he got 7. He got 8 last year and he got 22.
Yeah.
So I think 15 goals
Yeah.
is not too bad of an ask of him, and 8 million is very cheap for
Yeah.
the
And-
90 minutes role, for the XG, for the nailed on penalties. I think he could be worth it.
I think I agree. I think Thiago पे भी थोड़ा सा people are sleeping on. He's that big जो मुझे लगता है will continue to do well at least first half of the season. Brentford हमेशा जो striker होता है ना Brentford का legacy
हमेशा
wise
अच्छा
they always do.
हमेशा अच्छा करता है, yeah.
विस्सा की बात कर लो, आप टोनी की बात कर लो, आप इगोर थियागो की
Mbeumo.
बात कर लो, they will always do well.
The first time I
All
made a
these
draft,
guys.
Thiago was in my draft. Like it was Haaland and
Exactly.
Thiago.
You
So-
cannot
My
go
first
wrong
draft
with
was
Thiago.
Haaland, Isak, Thiago, but then I couldn't pick anyone else. Then everyone.
ईसाक की बात करते हैं. I think it's interesting 9 million because he certainly has the potential. अब last season अगर आप minus करो तो we remember Newcastle वाला ईसाक, पहला match is gonna be Newcastle away from home and
Imagine he gets a penalty.
looked sharp in the World Cup, looked
Yeah.
good in the season also. Words and Isak ka talmel has been pretty good. So ईसैक के बारे में क्या थॉट्स हैं?
I love him
If
as a player.
yeah.
Manan, आप जाओ यार.
No, I was just saying if someone is especially going no Haaland or no Bruno, right? I would have Isak. I personally think he'll start well. Again, Ireola के under attacking manager है थोड़े. What else do you want? Liverpool के fixtures बहुत अच्छे हैं. I personally feel. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you definitely can go Isak, but only if you are going, let's say, a Haaland less or Bruno less. You have money.
Yeah, I like him. I think he's the jack in the box. If you are willing to take that small punt, then I think Isak आपको reward कर सकता है handsomely
Heavy,
over the
yeah.
first 3-4 weeks
Yeah.
मेरे ख्याल से. So I won't be surprised. Let's say अगर 3-4 goal score करता है in the first 3 matches or something, he's the one. अगर penalties पे होता है उसकी value और appeal और बढ़ जाती है. Right?
Yeah.
He can make a mockery of
let's-
his price.
That's
Yes,
what I
he
was
can.
thinking. Yeah.
He can absolutely. So I have my eyes on him. Just trying to figure out कैसे fit in over him. It's very difficult with Bruno, Haaland, Joao Pedro, all these guys. Very difficult.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा अगर हम नीचे आते हैं तो you have Calvert Lewin. Is he the best cheap striker in the game currently?
अगर आप रिलायबिलिटी की बात करो तो यस, बिकॉज अगेन वी नो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग विद द प्लेयर, विच कैन बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. Nailed on for 90 minutes on penalties.
Decent
What
fixtures.
else? Decent fixtures, playing for a team again जिसमें बहुत changes
Decent
नहीं
team.
हुए. Yeah, decent team,
Yeah.
exactly. So I just feel like it's easy. Yeah, it's an easier choice in comparison to all the other alternatives.
Yeah. There is Igor Jesus, but is he nailed on going to start? I think he should, but there is Chris Wood.
Yeah.
Minutes at least
I think he
कम
got
तो हो
injured in
सकते
the
हैं
last
उसके.
friendly though. Yeah.
He got
He's a
Jesus.
doubt.
I think Wood got injured in the last friendly. I'm not
Oh,
sure.
Wood got
Okay.
injured. Oh, yeah.
एक
I
और
think he'll
punty
start.
option is
Yeah.
Richarlison, because I think Solanke is also a doubt, and I think Spurs may get a striker, but कब आएगा, कौन होगा, and we don't know आएगा भी या नहीं आएगा. So I think Richarlison should be good for first couple of matches, 2-3 matches. Spurs are a big unknown, I think, so probably want to avoid. You have a couple of other options, Manan. You have Haji Wright from Coventry. अगर आप let's say bench boost कर रहे हैं Manan, and if you want a cheap third striker, Coventry का we know they have Hull, I think, in Game Week 2 at home.
Yeah,
So do you
at
think
home.
Haji Wright could do well in that match?
I think he's
very
he's
short term option.
Very short term, very good option, especially on your bench boost. Again, last 2 seasons for Coventry, has scored 15 plus goals around that. I think he's on penalties. He is on penalties, in fact, as well. So I think he's a solid option if you're on bench boost to early wildcard chip strategy.
Newcastle your fixtures are good. अगर आप Liverpool match हटा दो, even Liverpool match might be good from an attack.
I think that's a very good fixture for Newcastle attack.
Yeah, I think so too. So again, we are expecting कि ये होगा वो होगा, पूरी टीम चेंज हो गई है, but ऐसे फुटबॉल वर्क नहीं करता, right? So Vissa, Manan, we have on our list. Could he be like that punt who starts the season with a bang?
We loved him as a player when he was in Brentford, right? But the only issue is there's Voldemort and there's another player, Osula. So I'm not even sure how many minutes does each player get, who starts, who's getting off around 60 minutes. That's the only problem with Newcastle as a team. Obviously, also there's a challenge कि वो कैसा खेलेंगे. There's a lot of changes, new manager. Although I heard new manager is really good, is a quality manager, but I don't know how Newcastle will. For me, Newcastle is one of those teams. I'll just wait and watch, see which striker is doing well, who's getting minutes, and then maybe jump on.
I think Vissa quickly एक option बन सकता है, because they don't have midfielders now. Tonali, Bruno Guimaraes दोनों बेच दिए, Gordon भी गया.
Yeah.
So Vissa can play with either Voltemada or Osula as a second
Yeah.
striker or number 10 role also. तो suddenly if he does well and अगर ये nailed भी होता है, तो मुझे लगता है with game week 2, 3, 4, 5 all decent fixture, 6, तो he can quickly become a good option.
Yeah.
जिसको हम maybe अभी pick ना करें, but can become a good option. Destan कौन है भाई ये 4.5 वाला?
Just
Does he
someone
start?
I have no idea. Just someone who can be on your bench. I think I read somewhere he might get minutes off the bench again, but at 4.5 million forward, आप क्या expect करोगे? So it's
नहीं, अगर आपको bench boost करना है game week 1 में, तो can people pick him or not?
No,
I don't think so.
I
I don't think so.
I don't
No.
think so.
Any
Against
other
West-
pick?
No,
Another-
There's a
5.5.
lack of strikers in the game, man.
Another pick at 5.5 is the Hull talisman, Ollie McBurney. Played in the Premier League before, not very good, but will play 90 on penalties. I think he's a better option than Wright because Wright gets subbed every game at 60-70 minutes. So
70 minutes.
if you want minutes, talisman, McBurney could be better pick.
बट यूनाइटेड तो क्लीन शीट रखेगी ना गेम वीक 1 में हल के अगेंस्ट
जो लोग यूनाइटेड डिफेंडर नहीं ले रहे हैं.
जो
Are you
लोग नहीं
making
ले
your
रहे
team only for the first week?
By the way, just a crazy stat I just remembered on Liverpool is there. Obviously, Liverpool has a new manager, but the first 5 fixtures are against managers जो भी सारे नए हैं. So it's insane.
Interesting.
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. बहुत ही बड़े अननोन्स हैं दिस सीजन. आई हैव नेवर सीन इतना बड़ा चर्न in the Premier League, player wise, especially manager wise, तो कभी नहीं देखा है. So which makes things very very interesting.
Rakshit, remember last season there was a like clean sheets आ रही थी, बहुत कम goals पड़ रहे हैं लीग में, set pieces पे हो रहा है. I personally feel the whole trend can change now with 10 new managers, right? Like it can obviously stay the same, but it can obviously change, and that will result in a change of defcons because again, कैसा football आप खेल रहे हो, आप इतना defend कर रही थी teams last season. So it will be a tricky one, and especially one to see थोड़ी information. रक्षित आप जो कहते हो ना, starting in 3-4 weeks में, it's gonna be huge.
If I basically had to, my sense of at least start of the season, because we have no information, is कि there are a few teams at the top जिसके बारे में we are sure they're gonna do well. City, Arsenal, and उसके बाद United, Liverpool, Chelsea, etc. Right? I think it's safe to say कि they will do pretty decently this season. And उनमें से भी कुछ fixed players हैं जो मैं पता है अच्छा करेंगे. तो at least from the starting point of view, I'll go for reliable players from reliable teams instead of going like middling players from middling teams who I don't know how they're going to be, right? So a lot of cheap players and a lot of these premium players. That's how I'm going to approach it, and that's one of the main reasons why मैं bench boost starting में नहीं कर रहा हूँ, because I'm not very sure कि क्या होने वाला. That's my take on it at least. देखते हैं. टेलीग्राम पे हमारी कम्युनिटी ज्वाइन करिए दोस्तों. लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में, एंड ऑल्सो हमारा इंस्टाग्राम चैनल, एंड ऑल्सो FPL गपशप की मिनी लीग एज वेल. Any last things to add before we wrap up? Good pod.
Good pod. We'll be back, and I think next week we'll have the main one before game week 1, so that should be fun as well.
Absolutely.
Like and subscribe. That's it.
Like and subscribe. That's it.
And comment कीजिए अगर आपको लगता है हमने कोई picks miss किए तो.
Absolutely. And for other things as well, गाली गलौज करना है, उसके लिए भी आप कमेंट जरूर करिएगा दोस्तों. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all the best for game week 1. Oh my god. ये line.
It's here.
Game week 1 is here.
It's almost here, bro. Wow.
Almost here.
We will see you all very, very soon. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys.